All right, guys, let's tear this bad boy open. Bust out a good knife for that. Ooh, like butter, like butter. Let's bust this thing open. Oh, man, it's got seals all over the place. So here. Seal here. So here's the remote. This thing is straight. It does have the dig function in it right here. It's an STX3. This thing is big, old, and bulky. That'll be gone. One of you guys wants to buy it for dirt cheap. Are you selling it? Throw this to the side. Oh, it's upside down, of course. There she is, guys. Look at that thing. Get that plastic off of there. Wasn't on there very well, but yeah. Let's get that out of the box. That even comes with batteries for the controller. I said I'm not even going to use it, guys. I'm not even going to run it with that. That's how much I hate that kind of radio. I don't know if the new four-wheel steer ones come with that. It's something you guys could tell me, maybe. If it comes with that cheap radio or not. Let's see if we can zoom in a little bit here. I'm trying a new camera angle, guys. I'm hoping this works for you guys. And I can't see much, so it's because it's a little higher above my head now. I'm hoping my head's not in the way. But, yeah. So you'll have to stop that side to side like that. It sways pretty good. People said they do the pin mods. Tires actually feel pretty soft, but we're going to switch those out. The other tires are bigger. They're a little bit bigger than these, so it'll handle better. We're going to get rid of this servo. This 1,000 ounce. One or the other. This one's 700 ounces. Oh no, these are backwards. I was all wait, the 508, which I have here. The 508 is over 1,000 ounces at 8.4 volts. 1,042. So I haven't decided if I'm putting this one in there or if I'm putting this one in there, which is 700 plus. This is direct power. So I'm probably going to put this one in here. I have a BEC that came with the little kit. So that's what I'm thinking. And then we're going to try to put a full-size servo in the side here. Maybe take off some of this stickers and stuff. Those axial stickers. But yeah, this is kind of a, man, I've just been not much to show you guys right here. We'll do like a little build video, I think, or something like that, or some lives or something like that. Maybe I'll work on this throughout the lives to show you guys as I'm working. Just been cold out in the garage, so I gotta do certain times. So I might film some of it. I might do some lives and just do some updates. There's a couple mods you can do to get more steering out of it. Like here, watch Exo Cage. See how that threw that hole. That's too far. Yeah. And then I watched Big Head RC. He did the flat, and then he used the Traxxas links to move these four right here to move it back a little bit. So it actually extends it like half an inch or so to an inch, somewhere around there. Makes it a little bit longer so you don't have to use the riser. So we're gonna try that, and if not, we're gonna look at the riser. And he did Big Head did the spring mod, but looked like it was stiff that way. So we're gonna try it without it. Remove the cups on the bottom, and they said it sits a little lower. So we're gonna try that. Yeah, and like I said, we're just gonna add all that stuff onto here as we take it apart, mess with it, upgrade it. Let's see, I think you can get, oh no, it's got pins down here, right? Yeah. It's the other one that pops up like that. I think the little capper just pops open, I think, which is cool. So there you go. Oh, it does have front lights. I was looking to see, they do make a 3D printed winch holder. So you can put a servo winch in there. Might do that. I haven't quite gotten that far yet. So this is gonna be my first kind of like crawler. It's not gonna be a trail truck because I'm gonna put the overdrive and all that into it. So we're gonna try that. Radio back here, pull this out and rip that stupid thing out. Yeah, I don't know, guys. There's the bind plug. They don't give you no tools in this thing, huh? Oh yeah, there you go. There's your T-plug. There's your T-wrench. Well, man, now I usually give you all. So, free cool brand swag. Yeah, there's the, I believe on keeping these guys. You guys don't have to read them, but I keep them. I don't read them all the time. This will have a blowout though for you, in case you don't have a computer. It'll have how to put it together, or not how to put it together, but all the parts should be in the back. And I would imagine a exploded view diagram of it somewhere. I would think. See, here's the parts list. It's in the back. Yeah, here you go. How to put the cage together and everything together, the wheels together. This is how the shocks go. You guys can see that. The interior, the tranny. You got the front axle, rear axle. So, and then you got a place to take notes and stuff like that if you want to. I wanted the kit, but this was on sale. And then after I bought this kit went on sale. So, and I didn't plan on putting the electronics in it myself, but then after seeing the beast, I had to. There's no way I couldn't. So there you go, guys. A quick unboxing, or long unboxing, but show you all the parts that we're going to do to this. And as we go, we'll keep adding to it or messing with it and tweaking with it. And I got a bunch of friends on here that crawl, and getting some advice from them and stuff like that. So, but yeah. So if you know anybody that wants this, I'll just probably give it to you. You pay shipping. Depends on where you're at. If not, I'll probably take it to the hobby shop. Just let them have it. I can't see selling that to anybody. I wouldn't like selling that to anybody. Although the receiver's probably good. I think you can, I'm not sure if you can bind the receivers up to these or not. I think it might have been that STX2 that you couldn't do it to or something, but even then I still don't use Spectrum, so. Yeah, let me know. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you can see me tweak on this thing a little bit.